Drone markets. Drones are an emerging sector with potential for enormous growth. Let's talk about some business ideas and jobs. Drones are able to fly at much lower altitudes than planes. This allows them to capture low level images that show neighboring areas in detail. They can also be used in inclement weather, which makes it more likely that real estate professionals will invest in drone aerial photography services. Due to their agility, they are also used by filmmakers. Inspection drones are transforming manual commercial inspection processes, allowing inspectors to speed up their collection of inspection data while removing slower manual steps that place them in danger. Drones are powerful tools to help in the mapping and surveying industry. They can effectively perform work for 3D mapping, land surveys, and topographic surveying by flying above the ground. Drones can fundamentally solve the last mile problem faced by food delivery logistics. Drones can eliminate idle time and the cost of drivers and the inefficiency of the supply chain. The use of drone technology in emergency medicine is especially promising given the need for a rapid response to enhance patient outcomes. Current applications are delivery of defibrillators in response to out-of-hospital cardiac arrest, blood and blood products in response to trauma and rescue medications. In most budding industries, there is a corresponding requirement of maintenance and repair jobs. The beauty of aerobatics using UAVs is unparalleled. UAVs can fly at high speeds, perform aerobatic maneuvers like loops, rolls, spins, and hammerheads effortlessly and communicate with each other intelligently. First-person view or FPV drone racing is a sport where participants control drones, typically small radio-controlled aircraft or quadcopters equipped with cameras while wearing head-mounted displays showing the live stream camera feed from the drones. Similar to full-size air racing, the goal is to complete a set course as quickly as possible. Drones can be used for carrying advertising banners for marketing campaigns, maximizing exposure for companies. Since the drone market is such an emerging sector, if you know something particular the drone market is lacking, then you could invest in creating an app for it. Remember, you don't always have to own a fleet to do business in the drone industry. Companies like Uber owns no cars, Airbnb owns no properties that they list. The drones as a service model can be used if you can connect the fleet owners and pilots to the end customer. Thank you.